guys, welcome back for another edition of Drew's Music Corner. Quick tips and ways to get better at playing the guitar. I know you guys can't see my right hand, but that's not really our concern for today's lesson. But what I want to point out is something that you can do to get faster with your soloing or your playing if you're trying to play notes faster. If you've seen any of my other videos, I've got where you go through the scales, C scale and then the G scale, and you do the circle of fifths. Anyway, yeah, so anyway, that's just going straight up the scale. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, right? But really, if you want to get fancy with it, you'll do what we call thirds. And those of you that have studied music before know this. Instead of going C, D, E, F, G, you're going to go C, E, D, F, E, G, F, A, G, B, A, C. And you do the same thing back down. C, A, B, G, A, F, G, E, F, D, E, D, C. And you do that all the way up the guitar, you know. And you go through all the scales. Anyway, that's without a pick or a metronome. You just sit and do that over and over again, and you'll be off to the races, getting your style on. See you in the next episode, guys.